Welcome, I'm Lisa Lucky with Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty, and today we are at Sereno Canyon in North Scottsdale, which is just east of the Troon Village area. We are at a magnificent 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, newly built Toll Brothers home. It's 35 square feet. It has an attached guest casita with its own kitchenette and living area. But the most spectacular part about this home is the resort backyard. Wait till you see it. It's amazing. I can't wait to show it to you. Thank you for visiting with me today at this amazing resort home. Everything you could ever want in a backyard: pool, spa, fountains, ramadas, and this community has the Mountain House Lodge, which is nestled under the McDowell Mountains and Tom's Thumb. Give us a call today. I'm Lisa Lucky, Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty, and we'll show you this amazing home.